Hola a todos y bienvenidos. Welcome back to Learn with Eddie. Hoy es el primer día de la primavera acá en Alabama. Vamos a aprender cómo hacer small talk, how to make small talk using the theme, the weather. Have you ever noticed how much English speakers love to talk about the weather? Ay, perdón. Tengo mis vecinos acá. I have some neighbors and some vacas. They're cows and sometimes they get really noisy. Yes, English speakers love to talk about the weather. Most of the time, it's the first thing we say to someone that we're meeting. If you're talking to a long distance friend, you may ask, "How's the weather?" If you're talking to people in your community, you might make small talk about the weather. Weather and small talk are best friends. Small talk is what we make at the grocery store, checking out, el taxista, talking to the taxi driver, people that you encounter every day. That's going to be someone you can make small talk with. So I can't really make small talk with my neighbors because they're cows, but I can make small talk with you. Así que bueno, vamos a practicar cómo hacer small talk using el tema, the weather.
Read along with me, then try it on your own. Hey, crazy weather today, huh? Right? It was sunny this morning and now it's so cloudy and rainy. Typical spring. I never know what to wear. Same. I just bring a jacket and hope for the best. Your turn.
So let's think about how can we describe the weather today. So the sun is shining. We can say that it's sunny. It's sunny. And when the clouds come in, we say it's cloudy. Cloudy. We also say when it's raining that it's rainy.
And here are all of the E words, words ending in Y, that we can use to describe the weather. Try reading these out loud.
Another way we talk about the weather is by expressing how we feel about the temperature. We use adjectives like hot, cold, warm, and chilly. Warm and chilly are kind of those in between. Warm is more hot, chilly is more cold. And if there's a breeze or wind that comes, it can sometimes make us chilly. Sometimes they'll refer to that in the weather as a wind chill. In the mornings, right now in primavera, in the spring, it's pretty chilly. Then in the afternoons, it gets warmer. It can get really hot, like today. Then, when the sun begins to set, or when the sun sets, it gets chilly again. So when it's chilly, we have to wear a jacket and maybe pants to make sure that we're comfortable. The sun is setting now. It's about to get chilly. I'm going to grab a sweater. So even though it's chilly, it's still pretty comfortable to be outside and enjoy the weather. Tonight, I'll probably sit outside and look at the stars because there are no clouds in the sky. It's not cloudy. So what kind of weather is your favorite? Do you prefer sunny weather or do you like when it's cold or chilly? Let me know in the comments. See you next time.